Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 sine 3x into cos x dx. Solution. See, it is given data is integral 0 to pi by 2 sine 3x into cos x dx. See, observe here we have integral and sine 3x into cos x. See, these two are trigonometric function. These two are in multiplication form. So here multiplying and dividing with 2, that is equal to, so integral 0 to pi by 2 2 by 2 into sine 3x into cos x dx. See here 1 by 2, taking common 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 2 into sine 3x into cos x dx. Observe here, this is 2 into sine 3x into cos x. See, here we have to apply formula 2 sine A into cos B is equal to sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. Now compare these two. 2 sine dash A, but here in the given data we have 3x, so A is equal to 3x. The next into cos B, but here is x, so B is equal to x. Substitute A is equal to 3x, B is equal to x in the formula, that is equal to, before that it has 1 by 2, this is multiplied by 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2. Now instead of 2 sine 3x into cos x, substitute in the formula sine of A plus B, but A is equal to 3x, so 3x plus B is equal to x plus sine of A minus B. We know that A is equal to 3x, B is equal to x, so 3x minus x whole into dx, that is equal to 1 by 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sine 3x plus x, this is 4x, plus this is sine of 3x minus 2x, this is 2x into dx. See here addition, so split the integral first one and second one, that is equal to 1 by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 sine 4x into dx plus 1 by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 sine 2x dx. We know that integral of sine ax dx is equal to minus cos ax by a plus c. If we compare these two, sine ax, sine 4x, so a is equal to 4x, so a is equal to 4x x. Substitute in the formula, so 1 by 2 into minus cos ax minus cos a, but a is equal to 4x by 4. Limits are 0 to pi by 2, these are the limits, plus here also same formula, but here is sine ax, here is sine 2x, so here a is equal to 2. 1 by 2 into minus cos ax, a is equal to, second one is 2, so 2x by 2, the limits are 0 to pi by 2. Now that is equal to 1 by 2, see here we have minus, take it outside, minus 1 by 2 into, see 2 4 is 8. This is 8. Next, cos 4x, the limits are 0 to pi by 2. Here also plus into minus, it is minus. The denominator is 2 2s are 4, so 1 by 4 into cos 2x, where the limits are 0 to pi by 2. Now substitute upper limit in x place minus lower limit in x place. That is equal to minus 1 by 8 whole into cos 4 into, in the x place substitute upper limit, pi by 2 minus again substitute the lower limit, cos 4 into 0 minus 1 by 4 into cos 2 into x, x is equal to upper limit, pi by 2 minus cos 2 into the lower limit is 0. That is equal to minus 1 by 8 whole into, see, 2 1s are 2 2s are, so cos 2 pi minus cos 4 into 0 is 0 degrees minus 1 by 4 into, here 2 gets cancelled, remaining is cos pi minus cos 2 into 0 is 2 0. We know that cos 2 pi is equal to 1, cos 0 is equal to 1. The next, cos pi is equal to minus 1, minus 1 by 8. Here is cos 2 pi, cos 2 pi value is 1, 1 minus cos 0 value is 1, minus 1 by 4 into cos pi value is minus 1, minus cos 0 value is 1, so 1. See here, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, this is 0, minus 1 by 8 into 0 minus 1 by 4 into minus 1, this is minus 2. See, minus 1 by 8 into 0, this is 0. Now observe, minus into minus plus 1 into 2, 2 by 4. We know that 2 1s are 2 2s are. That is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2.